Welcome to this video tutorial on how to edit a face clean in Picsart. Actually, we're going to talk about two methods. The first one will be on how to edit a face clean, meaning how to get rid of red spots, pimples, and things like that. And the other method will be on how to make your skin look soft, really soft. So these methods are very simple to do, very simple to make. There's no need to use any change of contrast, overlays, hue, anything like that. So pay close attention, because these methods are for the free version of Picsart, which means anyone can use them. So first we need to have the picture we want to edit, and now we need to click on retouch. Now we need to scroll a little bit to the right until you find the option blemish. Click on it, and now you can click on auto, and now move the scale all the way to 100. As you can see, the face looks really clean. If you are not completely happy with the result, you can click on manual and paint over the zones you think should look cleaner. So for example, here's a red spot, paint on it, and as you can see, it got fixed. We try it again, over here, boom, so now the face looks a lot cleaner. Now let me show you a change. This is how it looked at the beginning, and this is after. See the difference. The change is amazing. Let's try this out again with a darker skin tone. So let's search for a picture. This one will do. We load it up. Here it is. And we go through the same steps again. We click on retouch. Now we click on blemish. And now we click on auto. We move the scale all the way to the right to 100. As you can see, it works flawless. If there are zones that are still bothering you, you can paint on them and get them fixed quickly. This is how the face looked at the beginning, and this is how it looked after. Now let's try something different. Let's try to fix a face that doesn't have any red spots, but it has a pimple. So this, for example, this guy, he has a pimple over the eyebrow. If we click on retouch and then blemish, if we click on auto, you can see that actually nothing happens, even if we go all the way to 100 on the scale. But if we click on manual and paint over the pimple disappears. And here you can see, with pimple and no pimple, pimple and no pimple. Now let's try the second method, which is how to make the skin look soft. For this, we're going to use the same picture as before, but this time we're going to click on smooth. Now we're going to click on auto, and here you can play with the scale. But as you can see, the higher the number on the scale, the chances are higher for getting some damage on the picture. As you can see on the hair, some dead pixels appear. This doesn't happen with every picture. This is just something for you to be aware of. And now I want to show you the difference with the two methods we use on the same picture. You can see the original picture, the clean face picture, and the smooth skin face. And this is how you can edit a face clean on Picsart. Also how you can edit a smooth face on Picsart. Very easy and very fast. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel.